at least we can tell the refs. Backdoor play, fakes going to his left, back out to the right. No space, and gets down for the touchdown, Matty.
Yeah, just fakes a sweep. Beautiful long ball out, and just a great finish by the winger.
I'm sure this will put a bit of fire in the belly of Counties as we see a backdoor play of their own. He does give it. The front defender was offside. Matty, we just see the opposite here.
Yeah, just like his old man here. Yeah, it's good to we finally get a bit of yardage going here. So Counties pretty strong. Great start.
Oh, we had a clock off down the other end, George, and now we have a clock off down this end. You look pretty surprised with that, George. Take us through this one.
I'll tell you what, look at this. He just fakes out wide, and then kicks back in, leaves the link out there, wandering.
Yeah.
So you're going to sit on the fence and pick no team?
Definitely.
So we
My
see
mate Bailey
Waikato.
wouldn't be too happy about it, but
oh, nice. Links up with his winger.
yeah, just huge step off the right there, gets some short side. And his winger just beats his man.
Lateral movement by these young men when they're playing against such dynamic attackers to not only make the touch, get back 7 as we see one play here. Ball straight up off the deck by the dummy half to the number 7 from Counties, Harris Tavita, and in for the 3rd touchdown for Counties. As we see, look how quick this ball is up off the ground, Whānau. Boom, straight up onto the ball. It was Waikato giving them away. This time it's Counties. Oh, nice. Had the defender beaten. Turned what probably should have been an easy try into a just try there, Matty.
Yeah, that's 2 points there for that try. So they'll take a 2-point lead, I think, with that slam dunk. So
nice little move there, Matty. Just seeing the work he did without the ball while it was in the air. Off the right. Oh. Touch was nearly made.
That's just electric footwork here. The classic express, laid on the link. Big right foot, a bit stronger there.
No, that's a really good call there. There's one thing to make a strong touch. There's another thing to get the lower half of your body within the ruck and really affect that roll ball. So great call there from the referee. Counties deserve this penalty. Just again, static here as they just waste one as they get their link on to the field. Back to 6 on 6. 32. Looks to go back left. Latches the Waikato winger in the corner and in for the touchdown.
This time the link doesn't lift up onto him. He's given a lot of time, a lot of space, and he's thrown a peach of a left to right there.
Haven't seen him with the ball in hand too often. Nice little pickup. Wasn't expecting it. Was the link there. Oh, inside. Almost like a mid-gram to Cav. Michael Cav round the back pass. 5-4. Matty, I thought Waikato had the momentum, but Counties, this crucial touchdown here.
Yeah, it was. He's just ball in 2 hands. He just held up the D. D's kind of held off him a little bit here on the jaw. He isn't given the Geordie, but he's just picked through, and great chop from 1. Also calling the touch count. It keeps the refs a little bit accountable too. And here's Harris Tavita. He's scooped through. He's found some space. Feeds 9, Smythe.
I thought the winger cutting back into the middle of the field might have done them out of a try, but Smythe did a great work. Probably a planned play. The winger to come in, the link to drift out. As we see them both here, acres of space out in the open. Harris Tavita taking the time he needed.
Oh, they're pretty excited, the boys.
Māori Active.